Did you know that AI algorithms can analyze millions of data points in just seconds, helping traders make predictions about currency movements that humans might miss? The world of Forex trading is rapidly changing, and artificial intelligence is at the forefront of this revolution. AI is being increasingly used to analyze market trends, identify patterns, and even predict future movements. But can AI really predict the future of Forex trading? That's what we're going to explore today. In this video, we're going to dive into the world of AI-powered Forex trading and explore the potential benefits and limitations of this technology. From machine learning algorithms to neural networks, we'll examine how AI is being used to analyze market data and make predictions about currency movements. AI is not just a buzzword in the financial world. It's a reality that's already changing the way traders operate. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, understanding the role of AI in Forex trading is crucial for staying ahead of the curve. So, let's get started on this journey into the world of AI-powered Forex trading. Forex trading is inherently complex and unpredictable. It's a market that's driven by a multitude of factors, from economic indicators to geopolitical events. And that's what makes it so challenging for traders to make accurate predictions about future movements. Even the most experienced traders can get it wrong, and losses can mount up quickly. That's why many traders are turning to AI-powered tools to help them make more informed decisions. But just how unpredictable is Forex trading? Well, let's consider this. The Forex market is open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, and is traded by millions of people around the world. That's a lot of variables to keep track of. Add to that the fact that news and events can impact the market at any time, and you have a recipe for uncertainty. It's no wonder that even the most experienced traders can struggle to stay on top of market movements. Without AI assistance, traders are left to rely on their own analysis and intuition to make predictions about future movements. And that's a risky business. Traders must constantly monitor market data, analyze charts and graphs, and stay up to date with the latest news and events. It's a time-consuming and labor-intensive process that can be prone to errors. And that's where AI comes in. By analyzing vast amounts of data in real time, AI algorithms can identify patterns and trends that human traders might miss. AI can analyze news and events, identify market sentiment, and even detect anomalies in market data. It's a powerful tool that can help traders make more informed decisions. But how does AI actually analyze market data? That's a great question. At its core, AI-powered Forex trading relies on machine learning algorithms and neural networks. These technologies enable AI systems to analyze vast amounts of data in real time and identify patterns and trends that human traders might miss. Machine learning algorithms can be trained on historical market data, allowing them to learn from past trends and adapt to new market conditions. This enables AI systems to make predictions about future movements with a high degree of accuracy. Neural networks take this a step further by simulating the way the human brain works. They are able to analyze complex data sets, identify patterns, and make predictions about future movements. By combining machine learning algorithms and neural networks, AI systems can analyze market data, identify trends, and make predictions about future movements. But how accurate are these predictions? That's a great question. One of the key benefits of AI-powered Forex trading is its ability to analyze vast amounts of data in real time. This enables AI systems to detect anomalies in market data and make predictions about future movements with a high degree of accuracy. For example, AI algorithms can analyze news and events, identify market sentiment, and even detect anomalies in market data. This enables traders to make more informed decisions and avoid costly mistakes. But AI isn't just about analyzing data. It's also about making decisions. And that's where things get really interesting. By combining machine learning algorithms and neural networks, AI systems can make predictions about future movements and even execute trades automatically. This enables traders to make the most of market opportunities and minimize their risk. But what about the risks? That's a great question. While AI has the potential to revolutionize Forex trading, it's not without its risks. There are concerns about bias in AI systems, as well as the potential for errors and inaccuracies. Additionally, there's the risk of over-reliance on AI systems, which can lead to a loss of trading skills and intuition. That's why it's crucial for traders to understand how AI works and how to use it effectively. So, what about a real-world example of AI in action? That's a great question. Let's take the example of a trader who uses an AI-powered trading system to analyze market data and make predictions about future movements. The system uses machine learning algorithms to analyze historical market data and identifies a pattern that suggests the euro to US dollar will rise in value. Armed with this information, the trader makes a series of trades and profits from the subsequent price movement. It's a powerful example of how AI can be used to drive trading decisions. But what about the bigger picture? That's a great question. The example I just gave is just one illustration of the potential of AI in Forex trading. But what about the impact of AI on the wider financial world? It's clear that AI is going to play an increasingly important role in financial markets, from Forex to stocks and beyond. And that's why it's crucial for traders to understand how AI works and how to use it effectively. So, what have we learned today? That's a great question. We've explored the world of AI-powered Forex trading and examined the potential benefits and limitations of this technology. We've seen how AI can analyze market data, identify patterns, and make predictions about future movements. But we've also seen the risks, from bias in AI systems to the potential for errors and inaccuracies. And that's why it's crucial for traders to understand how AI works and how to use it effectively. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out our other videos on Forex strategies and AI in trading. If you have any thoughts on AI in trading, please let us know in the comments below.